What's up, everyone? That was a loud clap. But welcome back to Team Kilowatt. So right now there's a lot of things going on. We are in total lockdown in New York. You're home for a good reason, and that is to keep people safe. I decided I wanted to do a fun kind of quick video for how to cut your own hair when you're at home. You need to get yourself one of these in case of an emergency. You can cut your own hair or fix your own beard. The other things that you're gonna need when you're cutting your own hair. I have this mirror because this is the mirror that's gonna help you kind of see any spots you miss in the back of your head, right? Second, comb, right? So that as you're cutting your hair, you check it out. Three, this little baby has been with me for quite a bit. It also comes with these like wall clipper oils, which you can use to clean it up. It comes with all of these right here, which you can use. It also comes with this, which is something you use to kind of this in between and on the side, because you want to make sure that things stay clean. Last but not least, to cut, just use one of these. I have used a little bit of alcohol on these to make sure that they stay clean. So I just wipe them down before and after use. If you're doing a taper for left, right? And you want to use these for your beard, kind of keep them at a high. I'm definitely not going to use that. I'm just going to go straight up with this because this has a little adjuster here, which you can see. It goes up and it goes down, so you can raise it. If you want a closer shave, then you bring it all the way down. If you want a higher shave, then you bring it up, and that way it kind of helps. I also have this. I know, it's just, it makes it look nicer, even though it's useless here, because normally this is good when you're at the barbershop, because you know the hair goes on the floor, not on the client. So what I do, here's a nice little hint. I put this here to kind of make sure that my hair just kind of like falls in there as I'm combing it, and that way I don't have to pick up as much hair. But you will also might need a vacuum or something to clean it up. So let's get to cut our hair. So first things first, safety, 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 okay? Shake down any excess hair this might have had before, right? So what I do is I always start on the side as I'm cutting my hair. You will see that. Let me move you a little closer, because you just want to be closer to me, don't you? Right? So what I'm going to do is I start off right here. It's all about the wrist action, right? So you want to make sure that as you're doing it, I'm going to actually move this back a little bit. You guys can see that better there, right? So what I'm going to do here now is I'm actually going to just simply cut the hair here. And don't worry about getting this right 100% of the time as you're doing it, right? What you want to do the first time is get as much as you can off of your head. Like, look at this, right? Brush it into the trash can that I use, and just continue. We're starting to look way better already. For those little pieces that you missed in the back, you're gonna use this mirror to sort of the reflection on this mirror. Yep, there we go. So now you can see that I have some hair in the back. You see that? All right, not a problem, because I'm gonna use this here to kind of see where are the places I missed. Continue doing that so you complete and finish cutting your hair. As you can see, it's okay if you don't get it perfect the first time. I remember I was really scared the first time I did this, because I said, oh my God, I'm gonna mess up my hair. But guess what happens with hair? it grows back. If you're using it on little kids, I would recommend one of the biggest combs on this, so that way there's kind of like a little bit of cushion. So anyways, I'm gonna finish cutting my hair, show you the final product in a few minutes. Not to forget this pieces here. It's very simple. All you do, you start down here. And you work your way up. So we're gonna do a little check with the mirror to kind of see how everything looks. So I see a little spot, so I'm gonna take care of it right now. All right, that's it. Gonna give you a quick around my head. Look at this. Already you can see a difference. The next thing is gonna be for me to cut this, but that's a different video. This is Alex signing out with, right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss any of the videos from Team Kelo. What?